guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how I make my mac and cheese on the food truck, you know, for my customers. Simple and easy, no hassle, you know, no, bag of this, bag of that. Simple. Cheese sauce, macaroni, that's it. No eggs, no cream cheese, no. Look, simple, and guess what? It's baked mac and cheese too. So guess what? Simple and easy, right? People love it. People love my mac and cheese. So you're gonna see what's up, right? Stay tuned. And guess what? Right now, yeah, I get the water hot and thing, yeah? Yes, after I boil and thing, just put them in the pan, is it? Just even them up in the pan. Yeah, and then show you how I go and settle. After that, hot piece of butter and the middle. That's it. And a spoon there. Right now we are trying to just even the thing. Right now we are trying to just even the thing with equal parts. So we have a piece of butter in the middle. Right. Next thing. Next thing we are going to do now. Watch out now. Watch out. Next thing we are going to do is the cheese sauce. So we have heavy cream we are going to put in this. And then right here, so we have the milk. Everything. Alright, catch me back when I cheese time. So guys, them 3 seasonings I use, you know. Here, one. We got some paprika right or so. So this is mix. This is mix. I mix my seasoning. This is also mix. It's not what's on the what you call it now, the stick of the label. That's not what on the label inside. So yeah. So we are gonna add some of this. Well, this is garlic, ginger, and pimento. So we are gonna add some of that in there. And then we are gonna add some paprika in it. If you want the color, not too much. And then we are gonna add some of this. Right now, a cheese that we're going to use them cheese, yeah. I don't know, no open it upside it, but yeah, we use half bag of that cheese there, right? Yep, very cheesy, very cheesy. Half bag. So this mild cheddar, see? Yeah. And then now if you get some gooiness, you know, you need the mozzarella. All me use are just 3 cheese, you know, yeah, just the yellow, and then the other one get a little cheesiness. See, still have the butter inside it. I'll melt it. Alright, then this now, this will go up on the top. See, mix white and yellow. Yeah, man, good. Right now, I'm going at oven. So the oven up on 350. My oven. Alright. That's it. Catch you back in a 45 minutes time. Yeah. Right? Mm-hmm. Put some sauce on it. Right. I'm just showing you the final product. See? Very cheesy. You only want to dig it up, you know. Yeah, man. Simple and easy.